हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हमारा आज का टॉपिक है कंसेप्ट ऑफ प्रोटोजोआ एंड मेटाजोआ। एनिमल किंगडम इज डिवाइडेड इनटू प्रोटोजोआ एंड मेटाजोआ ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ नंबर ऑफ सेल्स प्रेजेंट इन एनिमल्स। प्रोटोजोआ में सिंगल सेल एनिमल्स आते हैं। इन एनिमल्स को यूनिसेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म भी कहा जाता है। इनकी बॉडी एक कोशिका की बनी हुई होती है। मेटाजोआ में मैनी सेल्ड एनिमल्स आते हैं। These animals are also known as multicellular organism and their body is made up of many cells. जैसा कि हम सब जानते हैं, एनिमल किंगडम को 10 फाइलम में क्लासीफाई किया गया है। इन 10 फाइलम में 9 फाइलम्स नॉन कॉर्डेट्स के हैं और 10th फाइलम कॉर्डेट है। इन 9 नॉन कॉर्डेट्स फाइलम के नाम हैं फाइलम प्रोटोजोआ, पोरीफेरा, सीलंट्रेटा, प्लेटीहेलमिन्थीस, एस्केहेलमिन्थीस, एनेलिडा, आर्थ्रोपोडा, मोलस्का एंड इकाइनोडर्मेटा, एंड लास्ट वन इज द कॉर्डेटा। फाइलम प्रोटोजोआ में सिंगल सेल एनिमल्स आते हैं, तो इनके क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स होते हैं देखिए। A protozoan is essentially like the cell of a multicellular animal and it contains all the cell organelles. These are eukaryotes, means well-defined nucleus is present in these animals. Protoplasmic grade of body organization is present in protozoans. Nucleus of a protozoan consists of nucleolus chromatin material, and this chromatin material is surrounded by the nuclear membrane. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi bodies, chloroplast, centriole, ribosome, flagella, cilia, pseudopodia, granules, fibrils and vacuoles are present in these animals. Cytoplasm is divided into ectoplasm and endoplasm. Pseudopodia, cilia and flagella are locomotory organelles. The relative size of a protozoan is larger than a metazoan cell. Its cytoplasm undergoes a peculiar process of cyclosis, that is, movement of cytoplasm in a circular manner. Respiration takes place through general body surface. Digestion is of heterotrophic and intracellular type. Heterotrophic means these animals can't synthesize their own food material and they have to depend on others for their food requirement. Intracellular means when the digestion takes place inside the cell. Excretion takes place through general body surface, and for osmoregulation, contractile vacuoles are present. Majority of protozoans undergoes asexual reproduction by an important process called binary fission, which takes place under favorable condition. During unfavorable condition, protozoans protect themselves by the formation of cysts by a process called encystment. Few protozoans shows sexual reproduction by means of conjugation. Paramecium is a very good example. Protozoans are colonial, but there is no division of labor present in them. Now, the concept of metazoa. ऐसे कौन से एनिमल्स हैं जिन्हें हम मेटाजोआ में रखते हैं और उनके क्या कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर्स होते हैं देखिए आगे की स्लाइड्स में। These are multicellular animals and eukaryotes. Member of Metazoa possess a complex multicellular structural organization which may include the presence of tissue, organ and organ system. In the embryology of metazoans, one or more larval stages are present. Larvae are differ from the adult in habit and function. These are either free living or parasitic. All metazoans exhibit heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Alimentation, that is, the entire process of nutrition, ingestion, digestion, assimilation, egestion is considered as a universal feature of metazoan. In metazoans, locomotion is a highly developed and very significant function. For the regulation of locomotion, animal possess muscular, nervous and organ system. In these animals, sense organs are well developed. Vascular system, excretory system, respiratory system, muscular system, etc. are well developed in these animals. Symmetry play an important role in locomotion in metazoans. Animals whose possesses radial symmetry are sessile, while the animals having bilateral symmetry are motiles. Cephalization is present. Cephalization means well distinct head is present in these animals. Well developed skeleton system is present in these animals. Skeleton is either exoskeleton type or endoskeleton type. Skeleton is either made up of calcium carbonate or silica. In these animal, triple layer tube-like structure is present. It means all the three primary germinal layers are present in these animals. Outer ectoderm, middle mesoderm and inner endoderm is present in these animals. Integumentary system and nervous system are derived from ectoderm, while the digestive system is made up of endoderm. All the remaining systems, that is reproductive, excretory, respiratory, circulatory system, are made up of mesoderm. Thanks.